Now that you've seen Electronic Learning Products Language Analysis System, we'd like to point out 5 key feature benefits to integrating this technology into any of your current offerings, and then show you a sample prototype of what this would look like. The first feature benefit is that it provides an interactive framework for incorporating listening, speaking, and reading for English language learners and beginning readers. Secondly, the native speaker provides modeling of proper pronunciation, tone, and fluency of English. Recording and playback capabilities allow the learner to hear their own pronunciation as compared to that of the native speaker. Immediate auditory and visual feedback enables the learner to hear and see identified sounds and letters to improve upon based on advanced speech recognition technology, leveraging an acoustical model of over 10,000 voices. And lastly, engagement, positive feedback, and rewards stimulate repetition, which in turn significantly impacts language acquisition. Now let's take a look at what the language analysis system could look like when embedded into a different type of text. Okay, here we have an example of a beginning reader text. And as you can see, the text is selected and highlighted in yellow, indicating to the student what they're going to listen to. So when they click the listen button, the model could sound something like this.
My teacher has chalk.
Then they have an opportunity to record that themselves. And let's say that the English language learner, when they record, sounds something like this.
My teacher has shack.
They have the opportunity to play that back instantly so they can hear their own recording.
My teacher has shack.
As soon as the student is done with their recording, immediate visual and auditory feedback can be provided. Okay, if you notice, the sentence now has turned green and red, where red indicates the phonemes and the sounds that the student missed. Auditory feedback can also be provided, and it could sound something like this.
Good job. Chalk, teacher, chair all have the ch sound. Click listen to hear the sentence again. Click speak to try it again.
And the student would then have the opportunity to listen again or to record again. So let's say they record it again, and this time it sounds something like this.
My teacher has chalk.
Again, they have the opportunity to click playback, or they can move on because immediate feedback is given again, and now they've matched the sentence well enough to turn the entire text green, and auditory feedback can also be provided.
Well done. Go on to the next sentence.
One of the capabilities that can also be added is to include some type of reward system for the student, recognition, so that they can tell that they're making progress as they work through the text, the passage, the story, either in the way of a check mark, a star, points, some type of graph. But tracking progress is also something that the language analysis system technology can do. This concludes our presentation of the language analysis system. If you have any question, please contact Ken Spiegel at kspiegel@elpcorp.com or at 888-357-8863, extension 1275. Thank you.